Hello everybody and welcome back to VLADA'S place. Today I'm going to share some of the ideas on how I'm able to save money and yet feed my kids well. Groceries add up to be a great family expense, so shopping wisely is very important. I'm just leaving the 99-cent store with the trunk full of fresh produce. So let's see how we can make a fresh side dish for under $2. 1 pound bag of sweet potatoes is only $1. A bag of sweet onions containing 3 onions is also $1. And in this recipe, we only need 1 onion, which is about 30 cents. Set the cut potatoes in a baking pan, cover them with sliced onions, sprinkle them with a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil, and set them to bake on 350 for about 45 minutes. By saving a little money on everyday produce, I'm able to invest a little extra money in buying quality meat. Also, by buying a larger piece of meat like this, I'm further able to save some money, because when you have a nice piece of meat like this, you can have it in your sandwiches, you can have it in your soups, or you can have it in the stews, and you can use it in many different ways, which again is an economical way to shop for food. So tonight we are having a warm roasted lamb, and tomorrow I'm going to slice this same piece of meat into thin slices, and I'm going to bake some fresh sourdough bread to make special roasted lamb sandwiches. For salad, we're serving this fresh and beautiful butter lettuce, which I also picked up at the 99-cent store for only $1. Not just that I'm going to have a salad tonight, but I'm going to replant this plant, and this plant will continue to give us a salad in the weeks to come. Our side dish is ready and it smells delicious. You would never know that this entire dish was less than $1.50. With the olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit parsley on top, it's under $1.50. And for dessert, we're serving fresh berries, which also were just $1. Yours and your children's health is your biggest wealth, so invest in it wisely. Thank you so much for spending time with me. To find out more about my charitable organization and my initiative to reconnect American families and communities over a healthy meal, please join us on VLADA'S.com. If you like this video, please give us your thumbs up so the video will be shared with other families, and also consider subscribing.